Today I will teach you one easy way to select good suppliers. Number 1. Select the supplier with verified logo. Verified means this supplier has been assessed, inspected and certified by the third party like SGS, TUV and so on. So this kind of supplier also always has the stronger capability than others. Number 2 is the trade assurance. This is a free service provided by the Alibaba to protect the buyer's payment safety. If the delivery time late, quality problem, or other problems, Alibaba will make sure the buyer's interest no less and claim from the sellers. Number 3 is the diamond. Higher than the 3 diamonds means the supplier is more reliable.